for further legal formalities. The Joint Action Committee of the Youth and Women's Wing of Umsao Nongbri Ribhoi District convened on Monday to voice concern about the long-standing presence of an unused Bsnl tower in the village and to demand its immediate removal. The tower, installed by the Bsnl in 2007, has been inactive for several years. Dramshon Maupin Kyang Rangbashnong of Umsao Nongjri highlighted the safety risks posed by the deteriorating tower and warned of taking action if the company fails to get it removed within the next few days.
Kami ke Bsnl company lada kam sim dia ke jing ketlik ban pemprakul na yaute ka jimen sau bat ka jingyap kal aplupa kena kaliang jong pi ka sinu lada ka company hikan man le min sim da ka wipat kar kon perkhat lembau pat ni sinu lada be ban pemprahi lame ban le da kumui patang ban weng no yaute tawar.
Meghalaya Governor C.H.